on 6 today. I prepped the ingredients and cleaned the kitchen. I want to get the cinnamon rolls done before lunch just so I can have them as my snack. Took a little break and enjoyed the falling leaves. It felt really fall-like today, which is odd because it usually doesn't feel like this early in the year. Hello. So I waited an hour for the dough to rise and I'll go check on it right now. I really wanted to try out the early 2000s filming style. Whoa. It's like super attractive to me, I don't know why. I think I started baking when I was around 12, I think. But I started because most of the ingredients were just at home. I don't have to go outside and buy stuff. I can just do it like right here. Gonna punch it. Punch! Whoa! Oh, hello. Wow, so warm. And I'm a total sweets person, unfortunately. It's also one of those activities where I don't have to really think. I just do. I guess in a way that's therapeutic to me because I'm always thinking. I guess it's nice to have a little break. I don't know. The weather's really nice today. It's the perfect fall day. It's not actually fall, but it feels like fall. This is the filling. I had just the perfect amount of brown sugar. I didn't realize I was almost out. Until it becomes a paste like this. Putting the cinnamon sugar on top doesn't look appetizing at first, but it gets better. Anyway, I found this little trick where you can just like turn the knife and it makes like a good size. I think it's okay. I think it's better than like having to measure. I usually cut it the other way, but I'm gonna try doing a cut and then roll. I heard that it makes it look better, but we'll try that out. Look how tiny. Wow, so pretty. So many cinnamon rolls. I'll rise them again. This is a fall scented surface spray. I'm gonna clean where I made a mess. I cleaned the table surface with warm soap and water. I'm not using it anymore, so I get to use this spray. Yeah. This just makes it really moist. Oh, a little bit, a little bit. Okay, to the oven. It's not even done preheating. I put it on like a long time ago. Okay, I'll wait. So pretty. So heavy. For the pecan topping, I'm just using some brown sugar, cinnamon, and then I add some heavy cream to it. For things like toppings, I don't really measure it out. As long as you can taste it and make sure it's not too sweet, it really helps cut down some time. I'm gonna make the frosting, Philadelphia. I feel like I can't find any other taste that really fulfills its spot as cream cheese. Oh, and for the recipe, I got this from my mom. I'll try to find the video, but she found it on TikTok. The first batch of cinnamon rolls are ready. I had to leave the bigger one in there because it still needs some time to fully cook. I made them too big. We're gonna have to cut them in half. Here's the cream cheese. I seriously need someone to take some of these. There's too much. And now for the best part. It's time to try the cinnamon roll. I don't have a fork, so I'm just gonna eat with my hands. Mmm.
Did you see me?
Of course I did. I was staring right at you.
I think I know what I want out.
What? outfit for today. I have a nice sweater on. It feels like fall, so I did more of a combination outfit. I switched to an all-black outfit, going out to this Vietnamese restaurant. I think it's Vietnamese Chinese restaurant. I've been really wanting to see the lotus lately. I feel super drawn to it. And I found out there's a pond an hour away, and I really don't want to drive that far. At the front of the restaurant, there were some lotus pads. That was a nice surprise. I really appreciate the surprises in life. Those are what really make the most memorable moments for me. I was looking at the menu and I saw they had it. I was like, what? It also make me the happiest because, like, wow, thanks a lot. That's really cool. I guess that's why I prefer surprises. I didn't really have fun ones in mind, so I'm gonna try new ones. I'm not a big fan of boba, but I'll take a few sips once in a while. This is like a brown sugar one. I just get up and start reading. There's quite a few books that have been on my list, so I think the morning is the perfect time just to use that to get out of bed. I just finished this journal. It's really satisfying to finish the last page. I'm gonna take this off. I made this charm, I think in the beginning of the year. Out of all the journals I've used, I like this brand the best. Just like the formatting, like, cause I don't really care about the quality. Like, yeah, it'd be nice to have good paper, but it's like, this one has a table of contents, and there's also a pocket. This just has everything I need. For me, as long as I can write on it, that's all I really care about. That was not very graceful, but I like getting dotted ones. I want to take a photo so I can put it in the journal. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. What do I do? Apparently there was nothing in there, but it said there's 10 left, so. You ready? Let's try it again. Oh, I forgot. It's supposed to be the... Yay! Yay! I'm so happy. I thought that was broken. You know how they shake it? But it doesn't actually do anything. This is for when I was in the Philippines. So I'm gonna just leave this in here. 4/12. Wow, wait. Today's the 12th too. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like it doesn't look right. I feel like just like normal looks fine. Ta-da! I've been weight training. Honestly, I have no clue. I know like be careful, of course, so you don't hurt yourself in the process. I just want to be toned, that's all. Oh, it's so beautiful. I finally decided to make the trip out. It was definitely one of the best decisions this week. It's actually so huge. Girl, this is a lake. The lotus is one of my favorite flowers. They bloom through the mud and blossom without its attention. Do you think they get scared while in the mud? Do you think they know that they'll ever get out of it? Honestly, who knows? I'm not that lotus, but I do think they feel the faint warmth of the sun, and that's why they continue to grow. Just the faintest touch is all that matters. Just like many things in this world, I find there's a lot you can learn from it. We're all at different stages of life. Some of us in the mud, others finding the strength to bloom. But at the end of the day, it's our choice whether or not we want to lift ourselves from the mud. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. What do you think of this style of video? I feel like I couldn't do it. I needed like other types of like shots to make it look more interesting. I do like it, but at the same time, I feel like this would only work for like a shorter video, you know? But let me know. I'll see you later. I'll see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.
except my bangs want to act up right now.